Hey everyone, and welcome to Minute's Review.
Today, we're diving into the gooey, cheesy, and surprisingly ancient world of pizza. From its humble beginnings as a street food for the working class to its global domination as the ultimate comfort dish, pizza's journey is a fascinating one, filled with flavor, innovation, and a whole lot of dough. Ancient origins. Our story starts not in Naples, but millennia before, with ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans enjoying flatbreads topped with herbs, olive oil, and even cheese.
These early iterations laid the foundation for what we know and love today. The birthplace of pizza, Naples.
Fast forward to 18th century Naples, a bustling city where pizza as we know it began to take shape. Street vendors catered to the working class with simple, affordable focaccias, topped with tomatoes, garlic, and oregano. This was the birth of the pizza marinara, the humble ancestor of countless modern creations. Royal approval. The margherita pizza. Legend has it that in 1889, King Umberto and Queen Margherita of Italy, tired of fancy French cuisine, sought out the simple pleasures of Neapolitan pizza. Pizzeria Brandy presented them with a variety of pies, and the Queen's favorite, a creation topped with mozzarella, tomatoes, and basil, mirroring the colors of the Italian flag.
Thus, the margherita was born, forever linked to royal approval and paving the way for countless variations.
Pizza conquers the world. Italian immigrants brought their love for pizza to America in the late 19th century. New York City became a hotbed of innovation, with pizzerias like Lombardi's pioneering the New York-style slice. Chicago responded with its deep dish masterpiece, while California embraced fresh, local ingredients for a lighter take. Beyond the classics, a world of toppings. Today, pizza knows no bounds. From pineapple to pepperoni, anchovies to artichoke hearts, the world is our topping palette. Gourmet pizzas with truffles and artisanal cheeses share space with vegan and gluten-free options, catering to every taste and dietary need. So, there you have it, a brief history of pizza, a testament to human ingenuity and the universal appeal of a simple, delicious dish. Whether you enjoy it folded in half, New York style, or with a knife and fork, remember, pizza is more than just food. It's a cultural icon, a symbol of togetherness,
And a reminder that sometimes the best things in life are the simplest.
Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey through time and toppings. Now, go forth and grab a slice or two of history. Please don't forget subscribe and share to your friends. Hit the bell icon down below.
Love you all.